Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and if you wanted to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you gotta do is use the links in the description if you wanted to get one of these for yourself. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with another awesome video for you. So I finally picked up a case and screen protector for my Umidigi A5 Pro. This particular color is called Breathing Crystal. It's a little bit hard for the camera to pick it up, but when you see it in real life, it kind of looks like a silver mirror crystal kind of color. I love the way this color looks. And unfortunately, when you buy the phone, they do give you a case, which is really awesome, but it is black and obviously you can't see through the back of the phone. I don't know if you can or can't see it, but it does come with a screen protector. So I got the screen protector installed and I got the case on it, and I gotta tell you, it's a pretty good deal. I really like the case. It's got a little bit of a lip all the way around it, so in case you do drop it, it's not gonna go face down on the concrete or ground or whatever you drop it on. And hopefully it'll keep the screen from cracking. For the money, it's a really, really nice case. The buttons are very easy to push. All the cutouts are nice and precise. I really don't like the screen protector on it. I installed it anyway just because it's tempered glass as opposed to the plastic one that came from the factory. But the problem I notice is these edges are a little bit round, so it's not that easy to put a glass screen protector on this particular phone. I would stick with the plastic screen protector. In case you do want to pick this up, I would recommend leaving the factory screen protector on and just using the case. It's a really nice clear case and it's better than the black one that comes from the factory. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it helped you out. If you wanted to pick up one of these for yourself, as always, I'm going to leave some links down in the description. And if you can, make sure to click that like button, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know if you have any questions or comments in the section down below. Thanks again for watching. Take care.